Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make a very nice light thin soup using my homemade rich vegetable broth. These are the vegetables that I use today, but you can basically use any vegetable you have on hand. Drizzle in some olive oil. I just eyeball it, maybe a couple of tablespoons. Turn the stove to medium. Throw in some onions, your carrots. Throw in as much as will fit in the pot and saute. Saute until the onions start to look caramelized and bits of the vegetables start sticking to the pan. That's going to give it that delicious rich flavor. Add the garlic cloves last and saute briefly. I transferred it to a bigger pot, and here I'm adding the rest of the vegetables. I added 10 cups of water. Oops, sorry about that. 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Here I added a couple of bay leaves. Bring to boil and simmer for about an hour until the vegetables are very tender. Okay, it's time to drain the vegetables now. Here I'm squishing and draining the vegetables. Strain it one more time through a fine mesh sieve. Delicious homemade vegetable broth is ready now. Now to make the soup, I added some parsley, some more tomato paste. Bring to boil and add your noodles.